grow up with dreams. It might be limitless, hopeful, fanciful, and even unsupportive. Have you ever lost a dream, surrendering it to reality? Trifles cluttering life like filling cache in a computer. It's hard to find the importance, as always. Until now. 4D Dig opens the door to a world where all the data is found, even your crushed dreams. We cherish that data as diamonds. It reflects your precious memories and your lost dreams, too. Gaze upon your dream. Is there neglected or blurred memories? Explore deeply with 4D Dig, more details unveiled. Seems like someone just found his diamond. Is that support and encouragement too far gone? Absolutely not. Thanks to these diamond-like memories, they empower you with love and power again. 4D Dig will walk you through the entire journey. So, are you ready to dig your diamond?